When you begin to feel vibrations on your brake paddles or steering when you apply your brakes, it could mean that your brake pads has unevenly wear down and you will need to replace new ones. Proper brake maintenance is essential for safety and performance on the road. One of the essential components of the brake system is brake pads. Over time, they wear down and needs to be replaced for effective braking. As a car owner, knowing when to replace your brake pads is very important. I am going to show you 5 simple steps you can use to determine when to replace or change your brake pads. Number 1. Squeaking noise when you apply your brake. Brake pads are equipped with wear down detectors. These detectors are small metals attached to the brake pads. So when the brake pads wear down to a certain level, the metals begin to touch the rotor, or what many people call brake disc. And this causes a squeaking sound. So when you begin to hear this squeaking sound, it is an indicator that your brake pads needs replacement or change. Number 2, low brake performance. When you begin to notice that you have to step on your brake pads very hard or very deep before your car begins to stop, or the distance it takes your car to stop keeps on increasing, it is an indication that your brake pads has worn out and you need to replace new ones. Or you may also need to check your brake fluid to see if it has run out. The next one is vibration on your brake pads and steering when you apply your brake. When you begin to feel vibrations on your brake paddles or steering when you apply your brakes, it could mean that your brake pads has unevenly wear down and you will need to replace new ones. Or the rotor or brake disc has gone out of shape, or the surface is uneven and needs to be resurfaced, or a new one has to be replaced with new brake pads. But take note that unbalanced front wheels can also cause vibrations on the steering, especially if you are going above 60 kilometers per hour. The fourth one is visual inspection. You can look through the spokes of your wheels to determine the thickness of your brake pads. Usually, if the brake pads thickness is below 1/4, it is an indication that you need to change your brake pads, especially if you normally do long journey driving. Last but not the least, monitor your brake warning light on your dashboard. Modern cars are equipped with brake warning lights. So when the brake pads wear down to a level that they need to be changed, the brake warning light will show up on your dashboard. Even though several factors can also trigger the brake warning light to show up on your dashboard, all things being equal, when your brake light show up on your dashboard, it could also be a potential signal that you need to change your brake pads. I hope you learned something from this video. Comment down what you think and also like the video so that YouTube will suggest it to many people. And lastly, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more information like this. This is Autocare 360.